A descriptive adjective is a word which indicates the possession of the noun to a person, a few people, a thing, or an animal. Here are sample sentences that use possessive adjectives in their Tagalog translation. Adjective my. My car is a brand new. Ang aking sasakyan ay bago. Adjective our. Our job is almost done. Ang aming trabaho ay halos tapos na. Adjective your. Your hair is beautiful. Ang iyong buhok ay maganda. Adjective its. Its color is blue. Ang kulay na ito ay asul. Adjective their. Their house is very big. Ang kanilang bahay ay napakalaki. Adjective his. His voice is very loud. Ang kanyang boses ay napakalakas. Adjective her. Her dog is very fat. Ang kanyang aso ay napakataba. Adjective my. My legs are strong. Ang aking mga binti ay malakas. Adjective our. Our celebration ended early. Ang aming selebrasyon ay natapos ng maaga. Adjective your. Your family is always happy. Ang iyong pamilya ay laging masaya. Adjective its. Its seat is soft. Ang upuan nito ay malambot. Adjective their. Their pet dogs are hungry. Ang kanilang mga alagang aso ay gutom. Adjective his. His mother is caring. Ang kanyang nanay ay maalaga. Adjective her. Her sister is a teacher. Ang kanyang kapatid ay isang guro. Adjective my. My job is very hard. Ang aking trabaho ay napakahirap. Adjective our. Our kitchen is full of smoke. Ang aming kusina ay puno ng usok. Adjective, your. Your clothes are expensive. Ang iyong mga damit ay mamahalin. Adjective, its. Its tail is long. Ang buntot nito ay mahaba. Adjective, their. Their farm is for planting rice. Ang kanilang sakahan ay para sa pagtatanim ng kanin. Adjective, his. His hat is color green. Ang kanyang sombrero ay kulay berde. Adjective, her. Her necklace is made of gold. Ang kanyang kwintas ay gawa sa ginto. Adjective, my. My vegetables are fresh. Ang aking mga gulay ay sariwa. Adjective, our. Our anniversary is tomorrow. Ang aming anibersaryo ay bukas na. Adjective, your. Your shoes are too big. Ang iyong sapatos ay masyadong malaki. Adjective, its. Its feathers are colorful. Ang mga balahibo nito ay makulay. Adjective, their. Their song is popular. Ang kanilang kanta ay sikat. Adjective, his. His wife is a policewoman. Ang kanyang asawa ay isang pulis. Adjective, her. Her kids are all healthy. Ang kanyang mga anak ay malulusog. Adjective, my. My eyes are sharp. Ang aking mga mata ay malinaw. Adjective, our. Our room is spacious. Ang aming kwarto ay maluwag. Adjective, your. Your chair is broken. Ang inyong upuan ay sira. Adjective, their. Their food is delicious. Ang kanilang pagkain ay masarap.